chapter said masks should be a condition of entry in shops, with officers called only as a last resort. A Labour MP on the Commons Health Committee, Sarah Owen, said fining people who don't comply is necessary to help them change their mindset.
Setting something as mandatory is the same change of behaviour that we saw with seat belts, with drink driving, for example, and it is just about setting an example and changing the behaviour of our society, really. We have to look to other countries and other international examples where face masks are just routine, really, and I think we've got a long way to go in this country before it is just something that we do.
The number of registered deaths from COVID-19 in England and Wales returned to pre-lockdown levels in the week to the 3rd of July. For the third week in a row, the total number of deaths in care homes and hospitals was below the 5-year average. Scientists advising the government say a second wave of coronavirus infections this winter could result in more deaths than the first, with 120,000 hospital deaths a reasonable worst-case scenario. A report commissioned by the Chief Scientific Advisor says action must be taken now while the infection rate is low to minimise the risk of a second